Samsung SDS Nexledger applies blockchain technology to personal authentication and secure payment services to create faster and more secure financial transactions and information sharing environment. Let's see how Samsung SDS Nexledger works. Blockchain ID, digital identity application, enables you to easily verify your identity with whichever mobile financial service you need. To access your digital identity, you need to register your customer information. After entering your customer information, you verify yourself via mobile text or email. Once entered, you can select the best authentication method by combining individual PINs and biometric authentication. Digital identity enables you to log in and transfer money simply, securely, and instantly through easy authentication. All customers' data from authentication process is securely distributed to all participants in the blockchain network in encrypted form. If the data distributed show no abnormality, all the participants equally manage the confirmed data, so forging data is nearly impossible. Blockchain-based payment services can be utilized as a digital currency platform due to its excellent value transfer. Digital payment supports point conversion among a wide range of financial institutions and affiliated companies, and can convert your points into other blockchain-based virtual currencies used internationally. You can easily exchange points with other users via cell phone number and send your points to overseas users without restriction. You can pay with points at registered stores simply using a dedicated app. Similarly, all participants in the blockchain network share all the points transaction data in encrypted form. Finance companies issuing points, registered stores, and customers can track real-time balances and status while directly exchanging transaction records. Nexledger enables real-time, large-volume transactions processing, which was previously difficult to implement with traditional blockchain technologies. Nexledger offers smart contracts that automatically and securely executes transactions and management monitoring in order for you to view the entire blockchain service ecosystem. The leader of digital financial platform, Samsung SDS Nexledger. We will become your vital link for financial innovation through our highly secure and safe blockchain environment.